Is it a secret? What did you talk about?
Aren't you going to smile some more now?
Oh, you found your hand? Yeah, you're ticklish, aren't you? Boop. Boop. Tell me what you talked about today. Did you sing some songs? What songs did you sing? Did you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Or Chubby Little Snowman? You did? Yeah. Your brother likes that one, doesn't he? Yeah. You know that song by heart. Yeah. Or you're going to stick your tongue out. I can do it too. Where's your tongue? Oh, you're confused. Where's your tongue? Where did it go? Boop. Where did your tongue go? Where did it go?